And now, my dear students, we will move to the second objective of this session, which is necessary, unnecessary zero. I give you here two notes. The first note says, the zeros on the right side of the decimal part of a decimal number are meaningless, which means unnecessary. Okay, here are the two examples that explain the first note. 2.40. The zero here is on the right side of the decimal part of a decimal number. So 0 is here unnecessary. That means 2.40 is the same as 2.4. The second example, 3.170. Okay, 0 here is on the right side of the decimal part of a decimal number, which means that 3.170 is the same as 3.17. The second note says that the zeros on the left side of a unit part or a whole part of a decimal number are meaningless. That means unnecessary. I will give you an example. 013.21. 0 here is on the left side of a unit part of a decimal number, which means that 0 here is unnecessary. So this number is equal to 13.21. Let's move to the second example, which is very important. Why? Because here we have 0 on the right side of the decimal part of a decimal number. Here, this 0 is unnecessary. And we have a 0 here on the left side of a unit part of a decimal number. So here, the two zeros in this number are unnecessary. So this number is equal to 6.6. I give you here a set of three numbers. Okay? We want to indicate the necessary and unnecessary zeros. Here we have 0.04. 0.04. The 0 here on the whole part is necessary, and 0 here, the 10th digit of this number, is necessary. But let's see this number. This number, the 0 is included or located in the right side of the decimal part of a decimal number, which means this 0 is unnecessary, and this number, okay, the 0 in this number is located on the left side of a unit part or on the left side of a whole part of a decimal number, which means this 0 is unnecessary. So we can put 011.41. It's the same as 11.41.